can't imagine my disappointment in finding that major sections of this ride failed because of the camera. But definitely look around, just look around all through this. It is the most beautiful place in the USA that I have seen, and I've seen a lot of them. I can't imagine any place more spectacular. There on the right, you see the guys, they pulled over, they were scooting ahead to see how fast they could go. And Bonnie's just trailing with me. She stays with the plan. And we're going to pull off up here at a nice little overlook anyway. This is one of the nicest overlooks, and it does have bathroom facilities. Okay, up ahead I'm going to pull over, and that's where the camera crapped out on me. But I do have some other videos of Beartooth. I've been here before a few times. Definitely look those up, and I'll see if I can put a link down there for you.